guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari. If it's not your first time here, welcome back, sis. Missed you. In today's video, we will be reviewing the new, we had it right the first time. We'll be reviewing the new Too Faced and Tarts Brown Sugar Cinnamon palette. Honestly, you guys, I feel like this is the first time that I've seen Too Faced ever do a brand collab like this, and I'm pretty excited about it. So let's just get right into it. So this is what the palette looks like out of the packaging, and this is the color story. I did swatch this one for you guys in the YouTube shorts. So if you're interested in swatches, you can go look there. So because this palette is a very neutral palette, this is actually something that I would use for like my everyday makeup. So that's exactly what we're gonna do because we're actually going to work today. The first shade that we're gonna go into, and we're using a Luxie 205 tapered blending brush. We're gonna go into the shade right here, Big Toaster Energy. So we're gonna start in the crease. This is definitely gonna be our transition shade. I picked this palette up at Ulta online and it was $27. It seems like it's Ulta exclusive because I also looked on Sephora and I did not find it, nor did I find it in the store. So yeah, I think this might be an online Ulta exclusive, but just from the packaging, I knew that I had to have it. This is going to also be a two-part series because there is a frosted strawberry Pop-Tart palette. Brown Sugar Cinnamon is my favorite, but frosted strawberry palette, yes, definitely. We'll get that one too. And you will get that next video probably tomorrow. Perfect. Next, we are gonna go into this shade right here. This one is called Spread the Love. It's just a little bit darker than Big Toaster Energy, but it's just enough to deepen up our crease. Too Faced is definitely one of my favorite brands as far as pigment, and like I literally feel like I don't even really need to review it. It's really just a tutorial because they always deliver with pigment and blendability. It's always a good time with Too Faced. However, they are higher on the price point, which is why I don't buy these palettes too often. I think the last one I bought from them was the Major Love palette. So it's definitely been a while. Don't remember when we did that review. It's been a minute. So the next shade we're gonna go into is this one right here, the Dust the Crust. This shade is actually very, very pretty. It's a deep brown, but it has a little bit of a red tint to it. And can we just appreciate the fact that we get a mirror in this palette? I feel like that's something that we need to come to appreciate because it's not that often that a palette has a mirror in it, and I just love that for us. I love that for us. So now I'm just gonna go back in between those two shades, Spread the Love and Dust the Crust, so that we get a seamless blend. I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side. So now that we are fully blended, we are gonna go into the shade right here. This is In My Feelings. Again, such a cute name. I'm just gonna pack that onto the lid. This is literally what my everyday makeup look basically looks like whenever I'm going to work or if I need to go somewhere real quick. Okay, so now that we have that lid shade packed on, we're gonna go back in with our Luxie 205 brush and go back into the shade right here, Big Toaster Energy, and blend in the outer corner. We're using this lighter shade first because I don't want it to be too dark right here on the blend. And then now we're gonna go back in. I don't think I ever told you guys what this brush was. This is the Morphe FF6 brush. And go back in with that Dust the Crust shade. Just wanna put that pigment back and blend out that outer corner. So for inner corner highlight, I definitely wanna use the shade right here. It's just standing out to me. This is Brown Sugar Cinnamon. And obviously we must use it because that's the name of the palette. Just gonna put it right here in the inner eye. Definitely giving. Okay, so that's pretty much all I do for shadow. I love reviewing these types of palettes because they're so easy just to like put a look together real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and add some liner and lashes so I can show you guys my final look. So for lip color, I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place lipstick. This is the shade Toffee. I do already have some lip gloss on, but it's the same lip gloss that we're gonna use with this. So I think it'll be fine. This is actually probably an old lip gloss. I probably should throw it out, but girl, we're gonna keep using it. This is from the Hershey's Kisses collection. It's just a dark brown lip gloss. Let's see if it has a name. It does not. It's just a special dark one. You guys, what, you know, I just saw that Glam White is coming out with another Hershey's collection, and I'm like, girl, how many times are you gonna do this? Like, do you have a contract? Why are you coming out with another Hershey's collection? Be for real. I'm gonna get it though, probably. I'm probably gonna get it though. So the Too Faced Pop Tarts Brown Sugar Cinnamon palette, you guys, it definitely is something I feel like you should have in your collection. The price point is kind of high at $27, but it is good quality. I mean, Too Faced, everyone knows the brand. You know that they're great. They usually are. I normally never have a complaint with them for real, so I say it's a good buy. Again, I picked this up at Ulta online. I did not see it in the store yet, but it was definitely online. That's where I ordered it, and it actually came pretty quickly. They're having a sale right now, if I'm not mistaken, but not on this, just on everything. So if it's time for a new makeup haul, now's the time. No matter what, this is a good staple to have in your collection. Everybody needs a good brown or a good tan or whatever, like perfect neutral shades. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and make sure your bell notifications are on, because tomorrow's video is going to be on the Too Faced Frosted Strawberry palette. So you guys can imagine what kind of look we're going to create with this palette. Frosted Strawberry is obviously giving pink, right? Obviously. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you will see my face in the next one.